Hello, hi, this is Andrew, and sorry it's been a long time, but here's an actual quick video. So, if you're in a situation where you can't afford any of the Office products suite, such as like Microsoft Word and such, there is a quick, easy way to open Word documents or Excel documents or whatever by using Google Drive and Google Docs or Google Sheets and all the other things available. So when you sign into Google, there's this little spot in the top for the Google apps. What you're going to look for is Drive, which I'm in right now. So what you would do is you would add a new, right here, new file upload. And so right now I'm going to get my resume. Okay, see it's downloaded right here. Hit refresh a bit. And it should show up soon. Okay, and here's the file. And right here, so open it up, double click on it. And there you go. Now, of course, I put my personal stuff out off of here for the video sake. But yeah, this is my resume. And I opened it up without using Microsoft Word. So yeah. All right. And you could try and download the file. Let me see here. Download. Now it doesn't have just regular Google Docs format to download, but it'll do all the others. And this Microsoft Word, what we already downloaded, we already uploaded. So there's no point in doing that. But yeah. All right. So this concludes the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. And let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you.